That was really good. I'm so full though.
Maybe someday they'll bring back the pizza.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
You know, after so many years.
Possibly.
It was really good. I'm so full.
Stuffed.
It was so
Can't
good.
go wrong with pumpkin pancakes.
Nope, they're better than my banana.
It is what it is, guys.
But it was worth the 2-hour wait to get our food. It was good. It was good.
And did you see the size of the bacon?
Oh my gosh.
That bacon was huge.
Yeah. Ham?
Thick ham.
Got like our own little pig factory down below this place, probably.
Yeah.
Well.
That's all, folks.